promotion, but what do you know? This 9-to-5 punch-in is leaving you lost. Once you had dreams, but hey, they were the cost. But open your eyes, you'll find there's more. Memories and laughter right here next door. 'Cause difference not scary, that oddball ain't creepy. If you call me strange, I just thank you sincerely. It's sort of just like that old elephant cheered. A family's a family, no matter how weird.
Rudy, have you seen my hat?
Look under the bed.
I looked under the bed.
It's gotta be around here somewhere.
Buddy? What if Buddy has my hat on?
Hey, sheep. Incoming.
Fuzz, if you have a moment.
Oh, found your hat.
What? This is not my hat. Thank you. Come on, Rudy.
Sheep, did you empty the dryer?
Yes, but be forewarned. Your white's load seems to have picked up a slight shade of carnation.
Ah!
Everyone ready?
Yes!
No!
Maybe so?
Hello?
Okay, that's it. We're done. I don't want to hear that anyone forgot anything when we get to the campsite. No. What did I say? We're done now. We're leaving.
Fuzz, if I might.
Onward to the great outdoors.
It's just that I think we might have forgot.
You have made lists. Your lists had lists. We have everything. I promise.
Pinky promise. Poo-poo-poo. I have to go potty now.
It was so great. They really loved me, and I nailed my song, and I feel like this is finally the one, you know, Kathy? I know! Yes, of course you're coming if I get it, and don't worry, I know airfare's expensive, I'm buying your ticket. Business class. Yes, and I will even take you out to Sardi's afterwards. My treat.
Soggy tweet!
Not in my bag, you don't.
Yeah. Anyway, I gotta go, but I will definitely give you a call as soon as I get the official offer. Okay? I love you too. Bye, Aunt Kathy.
You sure you don't want to ride in the car with us? There's room.
Everyone packed?
Yep, that's the last of it. Sounds like you had some good luck this week.
Yeah, I had a really, really good audition. I've got a great feeling about it.
Oh, that's wonderful. About time.
Totally.
Yeah, so you got your contract then and you're all squared away.
Well, you know, almost there. We're like one step away from that point. Just gotta cross some T's, dot some I's, but otherwise it's totally in the bag. I'll show you some production photos from London in the car if you want. They're amazing.
Oh, no, you don't have to do that.
What's the matter? You're coming camping with us, aren't you?
Well, you know, I just got a few things I need to finish up in town first. Pressing matters. Urgent like.
Room service. We made it. Smell that fresh air. Look at that blue sky. Talk about the perfect getaway from the hustle and the bustle. We'll definitely get to spend lots of time together.
Oh, hold on. Sorry.
Well, this looks like a good a spot as any.
Good a spot as any for what?
The tent.
Tent? I saw nothing in our camping manifesto about a tent. I thought we would be staying in some plush off-season ski cabin or some such thing.
You assumed. Well, You know what they say.
Yes, to assume makes it... Assemble, campers! So, as I see it, first thing we need to do is get the tent up. Then we need to unroll the sleeping bags and gather the firewood. Firewood! Because then comes the best part. Improvise swords, fight to the death! No, Will, the other best part. Smart!
But first, the work.
Which we could zip through with a quick and snappy music montage.
Or we could just...
Nice sheep.
But I like montages.
Slow down, please.
Huh? What's the matter, Miss Jen? Aren't you having any fun?
What, honey? Oh, I'm sorry. Of course I'm having fun. There's nowhere I'd rather be than here.
Huh?
Besides, this reminds me of how I used to spend summer nights when I was back at home. Yep, just like home.
Rudy home?
No, silly bean. I mean where I was a little girl, where my mommy and daddy still are. I'm from way out in Cowboy Town out west in the Rocky Mountains.
The West? So you're like a cowboy with a horsey and a saddle and long little doggies?
Yes, kind of. But you don't have to be a big, tough cowboy or a cowgirl to enjoy living in the mountains and the canyons.
Yes, quite so. You know, growing up in Michigan, I frequently experienced nature's majesty. I have to say, Miss Jennifer, since we have come to this fine haven, I have felt a certain stirring.
Watch it.
A longing, a desire to see the wonders of the forest, to smell the dewy earth beneath my hooves, to taste a clear, cool, running stream, to... Ow!
Oh no. That's not going to make it difficult to sleep tonight at all. Not one bit.
Well, if you really have trouble, my Aunt Kathy used to sing me a song to help get me to sleep.
Can you sing it for us, Miss Jen?
All right.
You know I love the trail I'm on and the friends who ride with me. The country that we're passing through is a paradise to see, a haven for my spirit, the homeland of my dreams. My heart flies through the wilderness and on an eagle's wings. And oh, I love the waterfall and the way the river sings. From snow-capped peaks both proud and tall, through forests deep and green, the highway of the mountains, the lifeblood of the land. I can hear my mother speak to me and hold my father's hand. Durango Mountain Caballero, take me for a ride on the backbone of this mighty land, the Continental Divide, to the place where earth and heaven meet, the mountains and the sky, in the heart of Colorado. should never, ever end. Forever in my memory, forever in my song. On a San Juan mountain trail ride, I'll carry you along.
He was born in the summer of his 27th year, coming home to a place he'd never been before. It's a Colorado Rocky Mountain high. I've seen it rain fire in the oh boy. Oh. It is a graham cracker, marshmallow, and chocolate sandwich. It does not get lonely. It's wet.
Okay, girls, I'm here. What happened?
Will brought her s'more to bed last night, and now, well...
Okay. I think I can figure this out. I just need a minute, and I will be right back. Okay? Okay.
Really?
Wellington, I am going to ask you this once and only once. What happened?
It was terrible. It was just about to fall down the Rocky Mountain high.
Wellington.
Ow.
All that fuss over a little...
Carry me. I shan't survive the trek alone. Please, be gentle. Watch the jostling. I can feel my life's blood seeping out of my...
Rudy, he's your problem now.
But don't laugh. When future generations inquire as to what has become of Wellington Percival Sheep, all I ask is that you memorialize me fondly in verse, song, perhaps a granite statue in the center of...
Come on, you big cry lammy. Let's go put the hammock up.
You squish my marshmallow foot!
It's a simple setup, Sheep. 2 nails, 1 net. You have the hammer, I have the nail. So, when I nod my head, you hit it.
Wait, what?
When I nod my head, you hit it.
Fuzz, I'm not sure I can complete this task.
Look, I know your upper body strength really isn't, but I've seen you use tools before, and I have every confidence that you can complete this task. So, when I nod my head, you hit it.
When you nod your head,
Hit it! Hit it!
hit it.
Hit it! Hit it!
Doctor, who did you say we were going to go see?
Dr. Ivan.
Oh, my dear Amelia. I knew you'd come back for your raggedy.
Mantis.
Mantis?
Dr. Ivan C. Mantis.
Who being next?